Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel YVS Crochet Art. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this Christmas decor, a snowflake. This was very easy pattern, so do follow till the end. So the hook I used here is 2.5 mm and the yarn of 3 ply. First we have to make a slip stitch and work on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chain and make a slip stitch into the starting stitch. Now work on 3 chain, consider it as 1 double crochet and work on 2 more double crochets. 1 and 2. Total 3 plus 3 chain. Again work on 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Plus 3 chain. Again work on 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. So total we have to get 6 groups of 3 double crochets with 3 chains in between. Work till the end. So after working on 6 groups, work on 3 chain at the last and make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Now work on 3 more slip stitches till we reach to the 3 chain space. 1, 2 and 3. Now work on 3 chain, consider it as 1 double crochet and work on 2 more double crochet into the same chain space. Plus 5 chain and work on 3 more double crochet into the same chain space. 1, 2 and 3. Now into the next 5 chain space, work on 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3 plus 5 chain and work on 3 more double crochets into the same chain space. So far we have to work on 6 double crochet with 5 chain in between in each 3 chain space. Again into the next 3 chain space, work on 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3 plus 5 chain and work on 3 double crochet into the same chain space. 1, 2 and 3. In the same way we have to work till the end. The pattern will be looking like this. So after completing, make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Now work on 3 more slip stitches till we reach 5 chain space. 1, 2 and 3. Now work on 3 chain, consider it as 1 double crochet, work on 2 more double crochets. 1 and 2. Total 3 double crochets plus 3 chain. Again work on 3 double crochets into the same chain space. 1, 2 and 3. Now work on 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again into the same chain space, work on 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, again now work on 3 chain, 1 2 3, and into the same chain space work on 3 double crochet again. 1 2 and 3. So first with 3 chain, middle it with 5 chain, and again to the left side we have to work on 3 chain. Now into the next 5 chain space work on again 3 double crochets. 1 2 and 3 plus 3 chain, again into the same chain space with 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3. Now to the middle side plus 5 chain, into the same chain space again 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3. Again we have to work on 3 chain, 1 2 3. Now again 3 double crochet into the same chain space. 1 2 and 3. Pattern will be looking like this. Again into the next 5 chain space work similarly with 3 double crochets. 3 chain, 3 double crochets, 5 chain, 3 double crochets, 3 chain and 3 double crochets into the 5 chain space. Work till the end. After working till the end, make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Plus 1 chain and cut the remaining yarn. Pattern will be looking like this. Now I have taken another color yarn that is of yellow and join this to the starting of 3 double crochet stitch. And work on 1 single crochet. Again work on 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, and into the next 3 chain space work on 3 single crochets, 1 2 and 3, and into the next 3 stitches work on 3 single crochets, 1 single crochet into the 2nd stitch and 1 single crochet into the 3rd stitch, and into the next chain space work with a slip stitch. Now work on 2 chain, consider as 1 double crochet and work on 1 more double crochet plus 2 chain and work on a slip stitch into the same chain space. Now work on 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, yarn over twice, insert the hook and pull through the first one, yarn over, pull through the second, yarn over, pull through the third, yarn over, pull through the fourth, triple crochet stitch plus 4 chain and make a slip stitch into the same chain space. Now work on again 2 chain, consider as 1 double crochet, work on 1 more double crochet plus 2 chain, make a slip stitch into the same chain space. So in middle 5 chain space we have to work in this process. And in the pattern will be appearing like this. And into the next 3 double crochets work on 3 single crochet stitches. Into the next 3 chain space work on 3 single crochets, 1 2 and 3, Again into the next 3 double crochets, work on 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And into the next again 3 double crochet, work on 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Into the next 3 chain space, again work on 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And again into 3 double crochets, work on 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Into the next 5 chain space again. Into the next 5 chain space, work on a slip stitch and work on 2 chain, consider it as 1 double crochet, and work on 1 more double crochet into the same chain space, plus 2 chain, make a slip stitch, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 chain, and work on 1 triple crochet stitch, yarn over the first, yarn over the second, yarn over the third, yarn over the fourth, plus 4 chain, make a slip stitch into the same chain space, again work on 2 chain, and work on 1 double crochet again into the same chain space, plus 2 chain again, 1, 2, again make a slip stitch into the same chain space. So a flower pattern will be forming at the tip of 5 chain. Now again into the next 3 double crochet, work on 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Into the next 3 chain space, again work on 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, next into 3 double crochets, again work on 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And into the next 3 double crochets, again work on 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Into the 3 chain space, work on 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Again into 3 double crochets, work on 3 single crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And into the next 5 chain space, work on a slip stitch. Like that we have to work till the end. So after completing everything, make a slip stitch into the starting chain of a single crochet stitch. Okay, plus 1 chain and cut the remaining yarn. I hope you understood the video. Please do like the video and also share to the family and friends, and do subscribe if you like the content. Thank you for watching.